ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dying Breed Barbecue, back in front of the grill today. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I'm back in action. Life happens. Today we're gonna be talking something simple. We're gonna be doing some smoked boiled eggs out here on the grill. But before we get started in that, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's get into cooking these eggs. So this is a real simple recipe. I like to do it whenever I'm smoking other meats, doing other things. This is a fresh egg. It's not already boiled, it's not already cooked, it's just an egg. So we're gonna throw that on the smoker. We're gonna be running today at 250 degrees. It's gonna take about 2 hours to get these eggs to a hard boiled egg. We're gonna go ahead and get into that. Let me get this smoker fired up and I'll bring you back, show you how we do it. So we've got that grill fired up. We're running at 250 degrees. Like I say, I normally cook these things whenever I'm doing some other proteins or something out here on the grill because it does take a little while to get them to a hard boiled egg. So we're gonna get these things on here. And we're just gonna go right on the grate. There's nothing, you don't have to do anything to them. I mean, it's eggs. So we'll just throw them in here right on the grate. We're gonna let those things go for about maybe 30 minutes, then we'll come out here and kind of rotate them. Like I said, it's gonna be about a 2-hour cook, so you wanna kind of spin those eggs every now and then just to get an even boil on them. We'll be back. So it's been about 30 minutes on those eggs. We're gonna get in here and take a look at them, kind of see what we got. You can see we've already got some real nice color on those developing. So we're just gonna go ahead and give them a spin here. This is not really necessary, but I just like to do it just to kind of get an even smoke on them. So we'll let those things go. Probably gonna be about another hour and we'll come back and check on them. All right, so these eggs have been on there about 2 hours. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at them. I think that they are looking about done. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull these off, throw them in an ice bath and let them chill out here. These things are probably gonna chill in the ice bath for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll get into peeling them up. We'll show you how a boiled egg looks like off the smoker. All right, so we have those eggs out of the ice bath. You can see that they got a pretty good little color on them. They got a little bit of that smoke color on there. We're just gonna crack one of these open and see if we can't peel it. Boiled eggs are always kind of hard to peel, but these have always come out pretty easy peel for me. We got easy peel on that egg. It's got some smoke tint on there. That's what we want to see. That tells us that the smoke has penetrated that shell and we've got a good smoky flavor in the egg. Let's go ahead and break the rest of these up, kind of see what we're working with. Again, I've never had the eggs bust up whenever I'm peeling these off. For some reason, these always just work real good. I don't know if it's because I cooked them on the smoker or if it's because of the ice bath or whatever, but there you go. Second one's peeled up. So we've got all those eggs peeled up. We're just gonna go ahead and slice into one and kind of see what it looks like on the inside. There it is. We've got that perfectly boiled egg off the smoker. Now all we gotta do is just hit it with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Maybe a little bit more pepper. These things are great because you can smoke these things, then you can make deviled eggs with them. You can do whatever you want to. You're gonna get a little bit of smoky flavor from the grill whenever you're cooking them out here, but you're also gonna get a hard-boiled egg that's easy to peel and it's definitely delicious. Had to go in for a bite. If you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page, Dying Breed Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dying Breed Barbecue. And I newly got a TikTok page. So if you want to follow me on those 3 channels, check me out. This is what we did today. Smoked boiled eggs out here on the grill. Thanks for watching.